Hi, this is Becca. Today we're going to be unboxing and exploring the Golden Touch Kit. Hello and thanks for joining me. Like I said, today we're going to be exploring the Golden Touch Kit from Young Living. Now this month I cashed in some of my essential reward points and I got this baby for free. Now anytime you get a kit or a collection like this, you're gonna save a little bit of money, which is awesome. Now this kit is full of staple oils in my house that we will use without a doubt. We will go through them with no problem. Now this collection comes with 7 oils and it's a really awesome wellness kit. It's going to address a lot of different body systems all in one box. It does have a few that come in the starter kit, in the premium starter kit, and so it's a good opportunity to get a few refills. This is all 5 milliliter bottles, which are handy for duplicates. They're nice for traveling. They're nice for sharing with other people, giving samples and things like that. So I encourage you to check it out. Take a look because this has got some good stuff in here. So what's in here? We'll pull our little sleeve off. This has a combination of vitality oils and essential oils. Now vitality oils are labeled with directions for internal use. They are intended to be used as dietary supplements. The essential oils are intended to be used topically or aromatically. So just keep that in mind as we're going through this. All of the vitality oils are available in an essential oil variety. It's the same oil in both bottles. So like I said, keep that in mind as we go through this. So I took the sleeve off and I've got my beautiful little box here. And it kind of looks like an old school premium starter kit. This looks a lot like the starter kit that I got. It was similar packaging. So you can see 7 oils here. I'm going to take this little palette out to make this a little easier on myself. Now, the first oil we have here is Digize. Digize is excellent for the digestive system, just like it sounds. It's full of great oils to support a healthy digestive system. Here we go. Let's take a look. Tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, and patchouli. So very soothing, really just good for what ails you in your digestive system. It's a little spicy flavor. It's kind of hit or miss whether you like it or not. I'm not gonna lie. Not everybody likes the taste or the smell of Digize. I am one of those people. I like to put it in a capsule and just take it like a pill. Really easy. You don't taste anything. And it's over. But it's actually really good to add a couple of drops to some chocolates, like melt down some good chocolate, add a couple of drops here. You got sort of a DIY after dinner mint. Now, next oil I've got in the palette here is Endoflex. Endoflex here. I have Endoflex essential oil and I've been using it for about a week each month on my ankles. Now, ankles is your VitaFlex points for your reproductive system. Endoflex is designed, as the endo might suggest, to support your endocrine system, supports balanced hormones. Now, I have trouble with some monthly issues. Around the beginning of my cycle each month, I have some really heavy symptoms. So I've been using Endoflex just for like that week, a few days before and during my cycle. And it's really helped with shorter and lighter periods. So I like that a lot. This is the Vitality version. This is the dietary supplement. Take a drop, see what it recommends. It'll give you directions on the bottle. Dilute 1 drop in a capsule. Take up to 3 times daily. So it has spearmint. It has sesame, which is a carrier oil. It's pre-diluted. That's why you don't have to dilute much with the carrier, or that's why you don't have to dilute it to use it. Sage, geranium, myrtle, German chamomile, and nutmeg. This is supportive for men and for women to help with balanced endocrine system. Next, we have Raven. Now, Raven is a new addition to the Premium Starter Kit, and it is excellent for breathing easy. It has, let's see, dilute 1 drop with 1 drop of carrier oil and apply topically. really nice on the chest or on the feet, especially for kids. I like to put it on the feet for my children. And ingredients include camphor, that's Ravensara, that's where it gets the name from, lemon, wintergreen, and peppermint oils. So it smells really nice with the wintergreen and the peppermint in there. Raven for the diffuser to breathe nicely. Now, companion oil to Raven that's also in this kit is RC. RC right here. RC is also designed to help you breathe easy. It's great in a diffuser, great in a chest rub. Raven actually supplemented RC in the premium starter kit when RC was becoming a little more difficult to source. So this also says dilute 1:1 with a carrier oil, and it has 1, 2, 3 varieties of eucalyptus, which smells great to me. I love eucalyptus. It's so fresh and so clean. All right, myrtle, marjoram, pine, and lavender and cypress. Oh, there's another one. Black spruce and peppermint. Continued. So another one that smells fantastic. A lot of people like to alternate Raven and RC. You could put one in the diffuser and one on your chest. Put one on your chest and one on your feet. You could change it up, switch them up. They really pair very nicely together for respiratory stuff. All right, next oil in my palette, I have Thieves. Thieves essential oil is a staple for pretty much every Young Living user that I know. This is Thieves Vitality. Thieves Vitality is delicious. Ingredients are clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. So you can imagine it smells really yummy with cinnamon and clove in there. It smells like fall. My husband likes to put this in tea. He'll make either a light tasting tea like green tea, or he'll just use warm water, a little bit of honey, and a drop of Thieves Vitality. Excuse me. And lemon Vitality. He loves those two together. I like Thieves Lemon and a drop of Copaiba in mine, but it is a little spicy. So keep that in mind. Thieves is a hot oil, so be careful if you're drinking it out of a cup. It could burn your lips. It could burn your tongue a little bit. It might feel like tingly. Clove can have like a numbing effect when you use it, when you encounter it topically. You don't have to use it topically, but if it encounters your mouth topically, it can cause that effect. So really nice addition to mouthwash and toothpaste right here. So Thieves is great for the immune system. It is the super cleansing oil, and yeah, it's going to keep you healthy. That's our wellness tea that we drink Thieves on a regular basis. All right, next one here I have is Juvaflex. Juvaflex, I have the essential oil of this one also, just like Endoflex. Juvaflex is designed to support healthy liver function. Now, your liver is a major detoxifying organ for your body. I have been using it topically, kind of as needed, over my liver, which is right behind your ribs on the right-hand side. But this is Juvaflex Vitality. It is a supplement, can go in a capsule. Let's see, sesame is carrier oil, fennel, geranium, rosemary, Roman chamomile, blue tansy, and helichrysum. Now the blue tansy and helichrysum in here make this the most expensive oil that's in this kit. The most expensive per drop or per ounce. So that's a good bargain to get that in this kit. Finally, we have Melrose right here. Melrose is one of the first oils I got after I got my premium starter kit. It has 2 varieties of melaleuca in it. So basically tea tree and super tea tree. Also has rosemary and clove in it. And I love this in my skincare. I love adding it to my face wash, to my shampoo, the tea tree and the rosemary, really good for your scalp. It also makes a great chest rub. The rosemary and tea tree in it are very cleansing. The clove in it, all of these ingredients really are really cleansing. It's my top choice for a steam tent. If you don't know about steam tent, check my videos. I have one there about how to do a steam tent, and Melrose is my top choice. So like I said, all oils that we are going to use all oils that we already use. So getting them in a bundle like this, I love packaging things together to save a few bucks. But my husband is actually getting ready to travel, so we needed a couple of duplicates. I needed to send some with him while he's gone, so he's going to be picking a few out of here and taking them with him. I know he's taking Digis. I know he's taking Thieves. I might send him with Endoflex, and he'll probably take Raven or RC. So there's our Golden Touch kit. Take a look, check it out, because this, like I said, it's a great bargain to get all of these great oils. It's a nice introduction to some oils after the premium starter kit. Maybe if you are running low on some Thieves or running low on some Digis, those are two especially that people go through really fast when they get their first premium starter kit. So if you need refills, look into this kit, and maybe it's the perfect thing that you need. So let me know what you think. Have you tried any of these oils? Do you love any of these oils? I want to hear from you. Comment below.